All right, looking at a property for a buyer. Nice property out Venetian Bay. This is a bank owned. It also is an old Paytas home. Paver porch, stone on the front. Nice tile as you walk in. There's some laminate. Beautiful view of the pool and the lake. Kind of open. Dining room area. We'll shoot over here to the right to the master. Master has a big slider. Nice size master. We do have carpet that goes to tile. Master bath, double vanity tub. Behind that glass block is a walk-in shower. See, right through there. Water closet, little linen closet, then a big walk-in. Nice home, little dated. New paint on the inside, new carpet. We'll go outside when we're done with the house. Little breakfast nook. Kitchen, a little dated, as I said, you know, but some countertops and that would look like $1 million. Laundry, it looks like they replaced a hot water tank. Bedroom, nothing fancy, just regular. Full-size bath. Then bedroom. Again, not anything fancy. Both bedrooms are about the same size. About a queen-size bed. Really nice view though. That's it.